Hello, third graders. This is going to be our last lesson before we have a review day, and then we have our second math test for Unit 2. Okay, today I need you to go into the way back of your journal pages on activity sheet. And I'm right here, activity sheet 6, 7, and 8. And that's in the directions too, 6, 7, and 8. And I want you to cut out those fraction circle pieces, and I'll show you what they look like. You have a whole bunch of different colors. I only have 5 out here. And don't leave them as circles. If they have fraction pieces, if they have lines, go ahead and cut those up, right? If we have these, boom, you're going to cut them into all little pieces. But I want you to be extra careful to make sure that you do not lose any pieces. And when you're done, you put them in a Ziploc baggie or some type of bag that you can keep them for other lessons that we're going to use them to learn with. Okay, awesome. Put me on pause till you have all of those cut out from the back of the book. Remember, those are journal pages or the activity sheets way in the back of your math journal. Activity sheets 6, 7, and 8. Go ahead and unpause me when you're done. All right, if you are back, that means you have all of your pieces cut out. Fabulous. These are called fraction circles because we can break them up into little parts. Those separate parts are called fractions. They name equal parts of a whole. So these are 3 pieces, 3 out of 3. They make one whole or one fraction circle. Okay. What I want you to do right now is just kind of play around with them, stack them on top of each other. All right, all different kinds. What do you notice? What patterns are you seeing? Tell your stuffed animal, tell an adult around you, tell a pet around you. What do you notice? Okay. Once you're done sharing what you notice, that is all we have for this math message. Math message was basically cutting out these fraction circles so that we can use them and we're exploring and we get to know them. Remember, after this lesson, keep these in a safe spot. Okay, head on over to the next video.